this guy's fighting. Thank you, sir. And I te watch him. Got a little one. These are the monsters we talk about, Jose. But you know what? The one I have is in my hand. Oh, mean. Oh, we ain't bringing you no more. Thank you, little vato. Ay, te guacho.
Good at it.
Patient. That was a good size. Because we're just...
Got a branch over here.
That's crazy. We were all throwing shit there too. They're getting bigger.
Yep. Yeah.
Nice. Little one.
Throw that down right there?
Over there, because I can't throw it right here.
You caught one right there?
Yeah. Thank you, little vato. Ay, te guacho. Yeah, we start seeing them around this area. Well, didn't you see all that dug up dirt over there?
Yeah.
Got a little one, Omar. Nice. Thank you, little vato. Ay, te guacho. Dude, you started getting bigger and I started getting smaller. I know Omar is going bigger, going home, just throwing the 4x4 or the wake one, I should say. Thank you, little vato. Ay, te guacho. Kind of look. Oh, y'all are crossing me. We'll throw over here real quick. See one's chilling over here real fast. Panfish. Big old panfish. Thank you, sir. Ay, te guacho. Ew. He's good. Ooh. You've been nothing but freaking trouble. What? What the fuck? Thank you, sir. I like to watch it. So editing the video right now on my tablet. Yeah, so right after that happened, I sent a picture through Facebook Messenger to Mike Bucas. That was a trick shad ABS, because there's an actual trick shad that is resin based. It's a lot more expensive, but the ABS version you can buy at Academy Bass Pro. I bought that one in Bass Pro Shop. The little hook swivel broke. I don't think I put much force on it, but I sent him a picture saying, you know, is there any way I can fix this? Because there was like $40. I mean, I knew there probably wasn't, but you know, it didn't hurt to ask. And he responded pretty fast. He was like, oh no, I'll put you in touch with someone. Let me have your email. And gave him my email, and then sure enough, he carbon copied me with someone he works with. And they got back to me real quick, and they were like, go ahead and pick out a bait that's in stock on our website, and we'll replace it. And for the inconvenience, pick out a second one, and we'll send that also. Like, I was blown away. That's customer service. Mike's a good guy. I love his baits. I love his bull shads. Bull shad 4x4 is one of my go-to swim baits. I mean, you know, relatively entry-level, low price, but they catch. They catch in the creeks. I mean, people that fish them in big lakes catch big fish on them too. So yeah, Mike's a good guy. Check out his website, bullshad.com, I believe.
You want to keep going that way?
It don't matter. You can try to catch that one. He's looking at it. He's going towards it. Ooh.
How because I tried to get it on camera.
I don't know why I was.
Look at this bad boy, Carlos! Holy shit! No fucking way! Oh shit. Oh, hang on, buddy. Got him good. Holy shit! Hey, I'm becoming a master at this, Carlos. Oh god, where's the pliers when I need them? Come on, buddy. Hang on. Almost done with you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, shit. Damn, he got some good teeth, fam. That is right. I was tightening that right. Woo! Check that bad boy out. It's too light. I would weigh him, but it's too light. Alright. Alright, it's time to release the bad boy. Yeah. Thank you.